Hi student, please like and subscribe my channel. We'll continue with our preposition. Here we are using death. How to give news of death? It can be of disease, it can be in accident. Somebody can die, he died in accident. When accident is there, we should use the preposition in. They died in accident. She died in accident. But somebody died because of cancer, COVID, heart attack, then that is nothing but disease. Like my uncle died of cancer, his aunt died of COVID, he died of heart attack. So when disease is involved, we use of. When accident is involved, then in is used. Let us move on to next. Tool, instrument, weapon. Which preposition will go with all this? Tool, instrument, weapon. Cut the cake with a knife. By knife we should not say. Cut the cake with a knife. So whenever knife is there, pencil, he writes with a pencil. He was killed with this gun. Weapon is involved here, you can see. Draw a circle with the compass. Compass is nothing but the instrument here. So again we are using it. So no confusion is there with respect to with. Next, let us see on, onto, in, into. What is the difference? The bag is on the table, or you can say the pen is on the paper. The pen is on the paper. But suppose if I am throwing, or I am telling that a tiger or cat jumped onto the paper, or that cat jumped onto the table. So here you can see there is a motion involved here. So when motion is involved, you should use onto. The cat jumped onto the table. Or some person can jump into the river. When he jumped into, because he is going into the river. Also there is a water in the pot. There is water because just water is there. You can see the water is there in the glass. There is a water in the glass. But same water, if suppose if I am pouring, then what will happen? He pour, you can see there is a motion here. He pour some water into the glass. So we are using here into. He pour some water into the glass because motion is there. The teacher is going, again motion, going into the class. Many people will say teacher is going in the class. We should say the teacher is going into the class because she is moving. Next, let's go to good or bad. Which preposition we should use? Generally we use at. So Manoj is good at English, at maths, at physics, at chemistry. So whatever subject is involved, you can use it for subject or you can use it for skill. Like next example, if you see, Pooja is good at cooking. So cooking is nothing but a skill here. Or playing chess is nothing but a skill. So Rahul is bad at playing chess. So at we are using for skill, or we are using it for, you can say, subject, English, maths and all. So at is used. But suppose we are using for some purpose, good or bad, like he is good for nothing. That means he can't do anything. He is good for nothing. He is good for college. So purpose involved, whether he is good or not. So he is good for college. Apple is good for health. If you eat apple, your health will be good. So apple is good for health. But alcohol is bad for health. So we are using for here when purpose is involved. When subject and skill is involved, we use at only. Next, let us see, this one is very important. Vehicle and foot. He came by car. They came by train. You can come by car, you can come by train. But when you are coming for using foot, by we should not use. I used by here. That is wrong. She came on foot, you should say. This has been asked many times in the exam. She came on foot. But other vehicles are there, by you can use. Thank you.